Hey guys, my name is Mike Berrien. I'm the founder of TrueBuild. I appreciate you coming to our website. So very quickly, what is the TrueBuild program? Well, the TrueBuild program is the largest business credit building program in the country by far. We've been around for 23 years, and we've got a 5-step, 7-layer process that we invented decades ago that we've put over 100,000 companies through. So first of all, let's go over how do you get money for business? There's 3 things here: revenue, personal credit, and business credit. Right? Those are the 3 ways that you get money for business. If you've got all 3, you're going to get the good money. You're going to get the SBA loans for $500,000. You're going to get credit lines from your bank for a couple $100,000. They're going to be automatically approved, all of that stuff. But not all of us are in that situation. And all of us, what all of us need to be proactive about putting ourselves in better shoes, right? If you've been in business for a little while and you have revenue, there are MCA loans and revenue-based loans. I'm going to start from the bottom and some of the worst stuff, and then we'll work our way up. 80% of business loan websites right now are trying to get you to get what's called a bank statement loan. It's called an MCA loan, right? They're predatory loans. They're horrific. And there are tens of thousands of vultures that are out there trying to get business owners to take these loans. Do not do it. So that's revenue-based loans. Now, revenue itself, this big component here, how do you prove that you have revenue? Well, you do have bank statements, and there are a lot of lenders that want to see that stuff, obviously, right? So that's a huge asset. Okay. Tax returns is all part of that to prove your revenue, et cetera, et cetera. So now we have business credit and we have personal credit, right? Personal credit, using your business to fund your business with personal credit. Let's say you're a startup and now you're on TikTok or you're looking for money for your business and it says 0%. You must be 750 or higher to get money for your business. So what is that? I did another video on it. It's called credit card stacking. It's another just horrific part of this industry of business loans, business funding, raising capital, et cetera. So they take your good personal credit, you own a house, you're 770, you're a good steward of your personal finances, you've got $5,000 and $10,000 or even $2,000 personal credit cards. They get you an EIN number, or you have an active business and they say they're going to get you a bunch of funding. And so that's the catch. Going to get you 0% funding. They never say we're going to do some credit card applications for you. You could do yourself in 5 minutes. They never say that. So they convince you to sign a contract and they take a percentage of whatever they get approved for you, okay? So here you are, let's say for instance, you don't have revenue yet, right? But you have good personal credit and you don't do credit card stacking, you don't just destroy your credit, okay? Now, using the business credit cards, they don't report on you personal, so you're not gonna drag your score down, but you're gonna have inquiries. And inquiries, as we know, are extremely important when it comes to personal credit. So if you wait, the $10,000 Chase credit card that you got, if you build business credit first on this no PG plan, that Chase credit card will be $50,000. So you can get 5 or 6 of those at $50,000 limits instead of 5 or 6 of those at $10,000 limits. The business credit part of it, just like with someone with bad personal credit, takes the same amount of time. You take what would take 5 or 6 years and you knock it down to 3 months. What is business credit? Well, business credit is separate from your personal. You're using your EIN number, you're using your corporation. A corporation is a living, breathing person, and we're gonna build credit on that company. So whether you have bad personal credit and you wanna get Visa, MasterCards, you wanna get trucks, you wanna get landscaping equipment, you wanna get $5,000 credit cards for gas and retail and all the different things that you need to build and grow and fund that business, this whole studio was built without using my personal guarantee or my social security number. We've got 5 steps and we've got 7 layers. The first 5 layers are non-personally guaranteed. Every single non-personally guaranteed resource that is out there, we have available, and we're gonna put you through the process and get you approved for them. Now, if you have all 3, so your business credit is fantastic and you have personal credit, right? Now you can get some serious money. It opens up all sorts of funding capabilities, even without the PG. There are fintechs that are out there that will do all kinds of large credit lines between 50 and 100,000. If you have bad personal credit, here you are. You can get 100 Gs and all kinds of stuff you can do with that. Add personal credit. Now you've got 10x the amount of money you would get with personal credit only. Now add revenue, right? Now be an active business that's selling a product or service and doing a good job for their customers, and 10,000 a month, 20,000 a month, 100,000 a month. With these 3 components together, you're going to be able to get the funding that you need. And you need to avoid the landmines that are going to stop you and going to waste all of your time and money. Build business credit, build your business, and be smart and be wise, and take some advice from people that know what they're doing. I appreciate your time.